We offer workshops, we offer individual consultation, we also offer resource materials. For example, we give out handouts, we make presentations, PDFs, for example. And in my PTRC specifically, because my community is Spanish speaking, I always try to have all the materials in Spanish so it will be more accessible to them. And we also provide the space, the computer, the Wi-Fi connection for people to make their own searches if they do not have those access at home.
I know a lot of people when they first come to me don't know the difference between a patent, a trademark, a copyright, and so helping them to distinguish those differences so they can figure out the kind of intellectual property they need.
We do a lot of outreach, and we do a lot of basically sharing all the knowledge about patents and trademarks with our community. So we're out there and we're kind of a fun place.